En einmal Marzipankross haben, bitte. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. Welcome to our second day of testing day of racing series, Nürburgring Endurance Series at the Nürburgring. Did I say Nürburgring? I think I should say it more often enough. So, yesterday we were in the paddock, in the pit lane, and today we are gonna go trackside to show you actual cars driving along the track. And first and foremost, let me tell you that this year we kick off without any restrictions, because for the last 2 years, COVID, yada yada, and even last year there were no spectators allowed. This year you can come here, park at Brunchen and enjoy the show. So a very important message. We're gonna go now alongside the track to first probably to Flansgarden to show you some slow motion, jumps, flies. So let's go straight to it. First, before we get to Flansgarden, decided to make a stop at Ice Curve to show you some tripoding action.
Can you tap the screen?
Tap.
Yeah.
More tap.
Yeah, once again. Once again. Okay. Thank you.
It's actually sub-0 degrees right now. So not only challenging for cars who have to keep their slicks warm, but also for us with our equipment. Okay, maybe I lied. It is a bit warmer now, although it feels like 1 degree.
And it's snowing a bit.
Yeah, it actually is. Hopefully it's going to be a bit more snowing so we can show snow motion. You know what? I'm gonna climb the tower. I've never been in there, see what kind of angle we can get from there. Hello.
How that looks like?
Well, you have a fence here, so it's not the best. You can maybe zoom in onto the curb there and see them lift the wheel, but... Just to indicate how slow things are here. We are now at Flansgarden Jump. We've been standing here for like 10 minutes. Not a single car came by. Well, one car. Oh, well, that's what they say. If you want the bus to come, you need to light up a cigarette. The issue now is that something that we cannot see here, but GP track is fully wet. And as mentioned, it's like here it's 4 degrees. Real field temperature is 1 degrees. And it's actually 1 degrees at the GP track where it's wet, cold, people cannot get temperature in their tires, they cannot go out, so everyone decides to wait to see if the track gonna dry up and maybe if it's gonna get a few degrees warmer. So we're gonna go home and edit a couple of things and then come back later. Hopefully we will have something here to show to you, because yeah, at this point it's kind of sad. But you know what, here's a fragment that we filmed yesterday at Wipperman. It's like a budget Blair Witch project.
Like what?
Blair Witch project, you don't know it?
No.
What kind of movie guy are you? That's
Stupid
homework.
comedies.
Yeah, that's homework for you.
Okay.
We are on our way now to the to the outside of the carousel. So first we stopped at Hole 8 to show you the amazing shot with the castle in the background. Oh, all right.
Thank you. I will put it on the caddy.
Yeah. I'm like a parent with a kid in a candy store, trying to walk to the carousel, and Adrian just like keeps on stopping every 5 meters because he wants to get a shot of a car. You coming?
I'm trying.
Finally, we got also some uncommon car on camera. So, just our luck, there was a bit of rain. You can see it here. Let's zoom in. You cannot even see it on the radar anymore, but somewhere nearby it has rained. Because of that, just like when we were at Flanskaren, no cars are driving. And because of that, it makes no sense to stand here, because apparently the rain was quite significant. So no one is driving because no one wants to wreck their car week before the race. And we just decided we're gonna go back into the paddock, which is basically pit lane and paddock. Came up with a new word just on the fly. How efficient. Go back, hand over the media vests, and that's it for today. Kind of sad, but at the same time, we have so much material we still need to edit, to publish. We need to really be cautious with our own time and not just stand for 5 hours alongside the track waiting for that one shot, because next week we actually have the actual race. Yeah. How was it for you?
It was nice. I found some new spots to go with the camera, so I hope that next week we're going to make some really good shots during the race.
Yeah. I'm sure we will. So let's go to paddock. Maybe we'll see there something as well that we can show to you. And that's it. The only biggest disappointment for me is that we didn't film exit carousel, the cars jumping out of it. So probably we'll have to come back next week for that. Typical, we leave and they start driving. And I guess that's pretty much it. As mentioned, pretty sad that no cars are driving right now, and extra sad because actually, unlike other events, now we have to pay quite some money for media license, and if you don't get what you pay for, and people usually don't like watching racing content, it's not something that's really encouraging in terms of content production. So yeah, actually I'm gonna say please share this video, because otherwise it's not gonna make any sense for us financially, literally, to be making those videos. But yeah, next week VLN1 or NLS1, looking forward to that. And yeah, let us know which angle you like the most of the track, and we're gonna go there again. From where should we film the start, etc. But overall, quite excited regardless of the downside of today. So thanks for watching. See you then. Bye.